The digitalization of information is probably one of the most significant revolutions of the last decades. Its impacts are considerable and affect many sectors, including public service delivery. For public administrations, the information exchange enabled by digitalization raises various questions. What data should be shared? In which format? How to maintain information up to date? These are some of the challenges that administrations must anticipate to collaborate online. Let's take the example of Pedro. Pedro works for a national agency responsible for the digitalization of public services in his country. At the moment, Pedro seems a bit lost. He doesn't know how to appropriately put online the information about public services provided by different administrations in a harmonized way, like in a consolidated public service catalogue. He wants to ensure that this information about services can be easily exchanged, published, and understood by humans and machines. Semantic interoperability certainly plays a big role here. His colleague Laura, who has experience from another country, proposes the development of a catalogue. She stresses the importance of considering a few points before the development of any catalogue. Start from the needs of the citizens, businesses, and administrations. Derive the technical and semantic prerequisites that must be considered. For example, given the fact that Pedro is working in a decentralized country, many local administrations describe their public service catalogues in slightly different ways using different semantic formats. Centralizing the information in a catalogue would help to harmonize similar services, improve the user experience and the overall quality of the information. Moreover, it would also reduce the management cost of the services. The development of a catalogue seems to be an appropriate solution to Pedro's situation. Laura explains to him the data flow that could be followed from a technical point of view. Even though using a data model like the Core Public Service Application Profile, or CPSV-AP in short, is enough as a starting point from semantics point of view, in his journey he can find further support materials and advice on GitHub, JoinUp, or by directly contacting the Catalogue of Services Action at European level, digit-interoperability@ec.europa.eu.